Hey from the Blinds.com team, we're here today to share a couple of quick tips on working from home.
Get ready for the day as if you are going into the office. Head over into the kitchen, get that cup of coffee, and enjoy the quietness. I promise you, once the day starts and you're already ready for the day, you'll feel more productive.
My work from home tip for you is to optimize your space. And what that means for me is having all the stuff I need in one place, including my massive screens.
Make sure that I take a step outside every day just to get some fresh air in, enjoy the sunshine on my face, check the mail,
So it's great to have a daily goal that you want to hit by the end of the day, but I find it more helpful to split that up into hourly goals. This way I'm hitting benchmarks throughout the day and I know I'm going to make it to that bigger goal by the end.
My work from home tip would be to get dressed like you normally would. Grab your cup of coffee and drink of water. That way the rest of your day can be bright and positive.
Make your office space an office space. If you're going to have the kids in there, give them a small little office space. Let them know that when you're in the office, you're working, and when you're outside of the office, that's playtime.
Once I hit an hourly goal, I like to go ahead and step away from my desk, stretch, walk around the house, do some jumping jacks. Just do something that you're comfortable with that's going to get your blood moving. That way when you come back to your desk, you're going to feel reinvigorated and ready to get back to it.